How to use assembly codes in Marvel Rivals. I'm going to tell you how to use assembly codes in Marvel Rivals. Assembly codes are basically referral codes. When you start the game for the first time and create your account, you'll see an option to enter a 10-digit assembly code before setting your nickname. Entering one lets both you and the person who shared the code earn in-game rewards, like units, which you can use for cosmetics. If you're a new player, remember you can only enter an assembly code during account setup. No second chances. If you're already in the game and want to share a code, reach level 5 first, then go to the settings, tap on community, and find the Hero Assembly Event tab. That's where your personal code is. When someone enters your code and hits level 10, you get 300 units. Simple as that. But you can only claim the reward once, so make the referral count.